Alright, you guys, excuse my glasses. I will be taking this off when I start to blow dry and flat iron my hair. But sorry about the lights hitting my glasses. But I just wanted to come on here. My hair is like this because it has this silicone mix in it. But we'll get back to that. Before I do my flat iron, I washed my hair. The products that I will be using are the main two products that I'll be using. I did not get that brand shampoo and conditioner. One, because Ulta was out of their whole line, like not out of all of them, but they didn't have a few, so I couldn't do the whole line. And plus it's really, really expensive. I mean, we'll get into that a little later, but this is the Cure Care Thermal Wonder. I've used this in my first flat iron video that I did. This is just the shampoo, the cream cleansing shampoo. And so I washed my hair with this. It's a sulfate-free formula with natural, non-GMO moisturizers, like all kind of moisturizers and oils. Gentle cleansing agents remove buildup without stripping, eases wet and dry combing, significantly increases hair and scalp moisture. Okay, so that's what I use. This is a real good cleanser. I really like it. I just don't like how small the bottles are. And I don't know how much this was. I don't think this is no more than $12. It might have been a little cheaper than that. I'm not sure. But this won't last me nothing. So I only use this when I'm flat ironing my hair. And this does come with the kind of pre-conditioner or pre-poo, whatever you want to call it. It's like a pre-cream kind of thing, and it gets all the dirt out. You can use that too. You can go to my other video, and I'll probably put the link up at the top, when I use the whole Thermal Wonder set. Okay, and for the conditioner, I use the silicone mix. I really like this. Oh my goodness, it's easy to detangle your hair after you put this in. You can now purchase this at your local Walmart. At first you used to have to order this online. Amazon has it too, but our Walmart has been selling it, and I think it's only like $8. It might be cheaper than that, I don't know. The Thermal Wonder I get from Sally's. I don't know who else sells it. I'm pretty sure Ulta might, I don't know, but I get it from Sally's. But the silicone mix I did get from Walmart, really cheap. I don't use this all the time. I'm only using this because I'm flat ironing my hair. It makes it really, really soft, easy to detangle. It's like a hair treatment, so you don't want to use it all the time on your wash day. It's to restore your health, shine, and your softness, damaged and weak hair. So it helps restore that. And I just put this in my hair, detangle after my shampooing, and then I just sat under a heated hooded dryer, and I put a shower cap over my head, and I think I sat there for about 15-20 minutes. I was on my phone, so I'm not sure how long. Sometimes when I'm on my phone, I end up sitting there a lot longer. But now I'm about to go rinse this out, and I will come back and I will start the blow drying process and the flat ironing, and I will show you the products that I'll be using in the video. These are the products we'll be using today. All right, you guys, I rinsed it out. Now I know I'm going to need a trim later. Definitely gonna need a trim probably when I flat iron my hair. I can just tell because, for one, this dye, you have to really condition and moisturize your hair, deep condition it, especially with the dye on the end, and this kind of lighter dye that has like developer and stuff like that in it. And I haven't been doing that as often, but I need to start, so I'm a little afraid to see how my hair is. I mean, I put a lot of moisturizers in it and stuff like that, but I haven't been deep conditioning like I should. So when I flat iron it, we just wanted to see. But today I'm using the Mizani, I think that's how you say it. And I'll show you the bottom. All right. So we are using the Smooth Guard. And this is supposed to kind of help control frizz and smooth your hair out. It's a serum. So I'm probably gonna use this before I blow dry and stuff like that. But I think first I'm going to use the Thermasmooth Sleek Guard. And that's by the same company. And this is like a leave-in smoothing service. Heat activated Palmer helps to leave hair feeling nourished and smooth while helping control frizz. All right, so I'm gonna use this first and then I'm going to apply the serum. I usually don't apply something thick like this until the end, but this says do it before blow drying, so I might put this on at the end too. But because I'm using both of these as before I blow dry my hair, I get a little scared before I flat iron it, so I did pick up a heat protectant. I'm not sure if this line has a heat protectant. These are heat protectants, but I'm not sure if they have one for like flat ironing or whatever before you flat iron. You might only have to use this, but they did have something like Style Again or something like that, so you can keep, I guess, styling it with flat irons and stuff like that without applying any other products. But they didn't have it in the store, so I picked up these from Ulta. This was like $20 and this was like $20. The other stuff was like no less than like $16. So to get the whole line, you're looking at like $80 something, if not more. So I just got these two because they didn't have all of it. They have a shampoo and conditioner with this line and everything. They have many different lines, but I wanted to use this because I'm flat ironing my hair. And like I said, this is sexy hair. It says hot sexy hair. It's a heat protectant and it protects your hair up to 450 degrees. That's wonderful. I never go to 450. After 450, your hair burns. Or at 450, your hair starts to burn. So I don't do that, but my flat iron is pretty high. It's on 430 because, as you guys can see, I have really, really tight curls. And it takes a lot to straighten them bad boys. I remember in my relaxer days, I would almost have to use super relaxers because my hair was still wavy after it. So I need this. And I like that it goes up to 450 because some only say like 410. And like I said, my flat iron be on 430. Good thing is I try to only pass with the flat iron once, okay? So with these, I hope they do magic. I've never tried this. This is like a, it smelled kind of like a hairspray too, so I hope it doesn't have like a really hold. Yeah, it is a hold in style, but we're just gonna try it out. Okay, now I'm gonna start off with the leave-in conditioner, the Sleek Guard, and then I'm going to put the Thermasmooth Smooth Guard Anti-Frizz Serum. Okay, you guys, I must say, let's see, I must say that these are good. I think it's going to be worth your money. That is a very cheap blow dryer, just because I got better blow dryers, but that doesn't have the comb attachment. I use the blow dryers on like other clients and my daughters and stuff, but this one is the easiest for me when I'm doing my hair. And that blow dryer don't ever straighten it this good. It's usually real puffy. I did a blowout video and it was with this blow dryer, but I'm okay with it looking all big and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, if you really want a straighter blowout, ooh, this does good. I must say, my hair looks pretty straight and it feels so soft. Like, oh my goodness. Normally these ends feel a little rougher and stuff because of the dye, but I must say this, I don't know, this was really good, y'all. It's going good so far. I'm super glad I just did a blowout recently because I can tell the difference between the two products. But that's why this is a little puffier. But oh my goodness, like, it's a big difference. I'm going to somewhere in this video compare the pictures of my last blowout and this one. So you can see the difference. This stuff is really good. I mean, if you just want to stop right here, this is really good. But I'm going to flat iron, of course. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the heat protectant. And then I'm just taking a small tooth comb and I am flat ironing the roots. And then I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to chase the comb with my flat iron all the way to the end. Okay, this is my hair before I curl it. I just kind of want to show y'all the length. And I still need a little bit of a trim. I did go back and kind of trim my hair a little better. It's really hard when you're doing your own hair, but I do what I can. And plus my hair is layered, so it's really difficult. And now I'm going to go back and curl my hair, and I will show you the end results. All right, I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and just comb that out. And that is it. I'm gonna show you the side and the back. And I hope you like it. Please comment down below with any questions or any other video ideas you guys have. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell. I appreciate everything, all your guys' views, all your guys' comments. Just thank you so much for all your support.
I won't let